Guys, Begineers back with another video of Catia V5, and in this video I will show you part 2 of beginner designing. So let's get started. So if you guys haven't watched the first part, you can check out my previous video that I posted 2 days ago, as we have started a new series of designing in which we are going to start with 3D CAD modeling in Catia, in which I will be posting every week at least 1 to 2 videos about different beginner parts that you can practice with me if you want to, or just to show how would I design that particular part. So this one is part 2. So we have this model right here. So the way I would design is slightly different from most of the people would, because in here I can see that I can use mirror twice. I can use it at least at the bottom and at top as well. So I would start at X, Y, or top plane, and it's just my personal preference that I like to work in isometric view. I will remove the grid, and then I will start with my, okay. So I can either make this circular profile first and then continue with the floor plan. It's all up to me. I mean, eventually one way or the other, I have to make both of them, and they both start from the same angle as well. So why not start with the spherical, uh, and then proceed with the other way as well. So I know if I go this way, alrighty. So now I can go top way. Alright, I know which way to pursue. Okay, okay. Not this way. Anyway, that's good enough. It's good enough for me to indicate how to design. I know I can design this way. I need to have profile right here, something like that. Another circle, something like this, but just till the middle. I don't need it all the way around because I can just mirror it. I have to dimension one of them. So first of all, I can see the entire length is exactly the same as this width, which is 88. So from here till here is going to be half of it, which is 44. There we go. Then this radius is 6. Double click 6. I'm going to enter. Then this thickness is 13, as it says. So this thickness is 13. There we go. So I need to just squeeze this a bit. And then I have to make an axis. And there we go. This one and this one comes here, coincide. I can snip it if I want. I can quick trim this particular feature, and then I can. So the bigger radius is 19. So this is 17. This is going to be 19 right here, and the distance from the center to where is given. Okay, it says 19 from the middle till here. So from the origin till the middle of the hole. Okay, from origin till the middle here is going to be 19, it says. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, it will look something like this. Now what I can do is I can simply make a borderline right here, and select the entire thing and mirror it. There we go. I can also make a hole right in the middle. Don't need to mess with many things. Put a dimension of 19. There we go. Also, if I want, I could have covered all these features as well. Yeah, I mean, why not just do that? Do those and just extrude in one shot or pad in one shot. So I know from the middle till on the side, I have to make a line at 38, right here, this dimension from the middle. So something like this, let's say. I'm just going to make any random line. I'm going to make, oh, not horizontal, vertical line. My bad. Okay, just delete it. Okay, there we go. And now I can dimension this thing as 38 from one side. Let's say 38 from one side. So that's very interesting. So 44 in total, 38 from here. Oh, my bad. I thought it's from the middle, but it's 38 in total. So half of 38 is going to be 19 on each side. So 19. So this 38 is from, it's basically telling us the thickness. I thought it was coming out of from the center, which is not true. So 19, which is half of 38. And then we have a rad that comes out. And what's the thickness? It's going to be total is going to be 20. So from here till here is going to be 20. Right here, there we go. And then we have a straight line, something like this. There we go. I can trim extra lines right here. I'm just going to trim this and this. That's the way it is. Delete it. These two lines as well. There we go. Just going to mirror it. There we go. Perfect. Looks good. Also, we have a rad. How much is this particular rad? So it's a 3 in here. I'm going to dimension. I'm going to have a rad. First, I will have a fillet, which is going to be 3. Looks good. I can mirror it or I can just simply add another because there are just two of them. And 3 on this side. There we go. So 2, 3 tower rads. But also, if I look at this stiffener, either I can use a stiffener or I can dimension it 10 right now and extrude in one shot. It's going to make my life very easy. I don't need to worry about it later on. So I'm just going to do that as well. So I'm just going to add another box right here, something like this. I'm going to dimension it. So this is going to be 10, 5 each side. Don't forget, 5 each side, 5 each side. And I can trim all the extra lines. And there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. And those extra lines are gone. Then we have from here till here is going to be 20. Okay, my bad. This is not 20. From here till here is 20. This is 20. Not that. This is going to be slightly inwards. How slightly inwards? That we need to make sure. Yeah, this thickness is 3. So this line thickness is going to be 3 right here. It says. So this line is supposed to be 3. So there we go. We have a proper pad. I'm just going to pad it out. One side, what's the total padding? It says 40 from top to the bottom. There we go. So half of our work is already done. I'm going to use the lower face. So let me verify. From the top, it says, I'm guessing it's till the bottom right there, because sometimes it's hard to visualize or see what exactly they're referring to. It looks like it's just the upper face, but it doesn't give us other thickness. It's this 10 here. So I'm just going to consider it as 40 in length. I'm going to make another face right here. I will just look at the isometric view. How does that look like? And from there, it's going to be easier for us to actually visualize. Okay, so we have to make it somewhere here. Okay, all right, this side. All right, we will go with profile, making just two straight lines, or one straight line, I would say, and then making a rad here. There we go, perfect. Looks good. And we'll put different dimensions. Okay, and we have a small circle as well. I'm going to make that as well, just for making my life easy. So this one, it says 31 right there, and 36 is from here, from the center. Okay, horizontal, no, vertical dimension, which is 36. So it's going to be a bigger rad, something like that. This is not going to be coincided, whereas this is going to be coincided with the middle part. Coincide, which looks good. We'll make an axis coming right from the middle, which will be bisecting it into two halves. Half of the profile, 36. Rad is going to be 10. Rad is going to be 10. Oh, sorry, the diameter is going to be 10. Rad is going to be 19, it says. 19. And other, what else? What else? Okay, from here till the middle is 25. Because it's 50, it says 50, but half of it is going to be 25 right here. And the total we already know is 88, or I can just collinear it with this particular profile right here if I want to. So I can make coincide or collinear, it doesn't matter really. So it says 26 from, okay, so it's going to be a radius that I have to put. Again, corner radius right here, somewhere. And how much is this? This is 13 rad. Okay, so the rad is 13, and the radius itself is going to be 26. It says it's going to be from here till here is 26. Vertical dimension. Okay, 26. Okay, that makes sense. Perfect. So we are done with this. I can simply copy the entire thing and use my line. If it's not there, then we can do it this way. Mirror it with respect to the middle. There we go. And project. I'm going to project these lines. I can simply use them. Right here. There we go. And this line, this rad, this straight line. There we go. We have it. Looks good. Pad it. I'm going to pad it till, oh, I should have gone all the way around. But let's see. I'm just going to pad it by 10. Contain open contours. Okay. How to deal with open contours. And, oh, okay. You can see two dots. So whenever you see them, you can connect them. Or we already know that we need to make this entire profile. So I can simply make that as well. It's not that big of a deal. If I want, I can simply do that, or I may wish not to either. But let's see. If I just simply project this one, this particular line as well, then exit out. Add it by 10. It looks something like this. This is not what we are looking for. We were looking for something all the way around, right? So we need to bring it till here. So I'm going to modify the sketch as I was already able to see initially, but still I took a chance that in case if this was not true, right? So I'm just going to delete this line, just the baseline. I'm going to extend the line till the very end. So I'm going to extend this line till here. Go inside. Okay, it's going to show an error. Showing an error. Okay. Alrighty. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Go inside. Perfect. Going to do the same thing here as well. Going to delete all patterns. Going to have the same feature. Either I have two ways. Either I'm going to just follow the profile, or I can simply make my own sketch and just, okay, I'm just going to project this. Click OK. I'm going to make a straight line from here till here. And just going to trim everything extra, I guess. Yeah, looks good. Alrighty. Oh, wait a sec. From the bottom as well, I'm guessing it's going to be the same. I am supposed to follow the entire profile, so it really doesn't matter. To project the whole sketch. There you go. And trim all the extra lines that you do not need. You don't need this, you don't need this, you don't need this. There you go. Perfect. 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 Construction element, we can just cancel the construction element and it should be good. Looks good. There we go. Guys, there we go. We have it. Isometric, it looks very similar. So now one thing is left. That will be a stiffener. I'm guessing I haven't forgot how to add that. It's been a while. I'm just going to add a stiffener. Two line, project two lines, make them reference construction element or reference elements. I have to make a line between them from where I want the stiffener to start and where I want the stiffener to end. So I can simply extend it till here. And then I have to give a dimension as far as I remember. It should be 36 plus 31 minus 3. So it's basically 33 plus 31 from here till the base right here. So 33 plus 31. There we go. 34. We have that. I'm guessing it should pick it up. Stiffener right here. There you go. Thickness is how much? This is 10. So 5 each side or 10 each side. Wait a sec. 10. 10 each side. Okay. There we go. Perfect. It looks good. Yeah, it looks good. I'm just curious about this particular thing. It looks slightly smaller with respect to the rad that I have. It looks slightly bigger in this case. I'm just going to verify the sketch. So I have 20 here, 13 there, 20 here. So this thing is 20 from, so basically this thing is 20 from here. And where is 13? 13 is the thickness, 19 is what? Okay, from the center. It looks fine. Nothing, nothing is wrong. Yeah, it looks good. That's fine. It's just the way it looks. All right. So, are we missing any chamfers, anything? No, not really. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for upcoming videos, something like that. These one videos will be continuation, so this is part two. Stay tuned for upcoming parts. Thank you for watching. Take care.